Yesterday, a missile exploded on AHLI hospital in Gaza, killing nearly 500 people. Most of them were patients under treatment and their nearer ones. Initially, Israel is blamed for bombarding the hospital and killing the civilians. But a thorough investigation later on proved that Hamas has killed its own people. Israel released a voice tape where the conversation between the Hamas was intercepted, which reflects that the missile was fired from a graveyard behind the hospital. When the missile misfired, it landed on the AHLI hospital and the disaster happened. American President Joe Biden denied the involvement of Israel in bombarding the AHLI hospital.